This is how the search came out, that there is, that the land belongs to Bernard Mungai Ng'ang'a and Paul Mugo Muhoho, and it was issued on 28/10/2022. You know, some even of these things, even you don't talk in public. We have all grown, the people who live in Thika and born in Thika and raised in Thika, we have always known this place to be called MOW, Ministry of Public Works. Even if you look at the property that is here, old vehicles from Ministry of Public Works, old structures, our offices of Ministry of Public Works, even me when I'm doing my BQ as a member of parliament, even those ones who are before me, we come here because this is where their offices are. Then these two gentlemen have taken us to court that we need to vacate from their land, government land. Wizi wa mchana. Mwenyezi Mungu, wizi wa mchana. Two people, and these people have not been arrested. You know, people are taking courts for granted. You take public utility, you make it to be yours, and you take the government to court. And we are telling these two gentlemen, the days of grabbing and stealing people's property is up. And if they are gentlemen enough, they stop hiding behind where we can see them. They come out and tell us, they come and stand where we are and tell us how this land belongs to them. And even the people who apportioned this land or who gave them these receipts that we are seeing, we need to know from the Ministry of Land, whoever they are. Even them, they are part of fraud. They are part of this grabbing of land. These are civil servants that we are talking about. Those ones who are failing our government. Those ones who should be called out. These people should be called out. How now? How now? The people who know this place, wale watu wa Thika ambao mnajua, we vote here, we queue very early in the morning, Ministry of Public Works, even is a polling center. Even our ABC is hosted in this particular piece of property. At what point did this property leave government and then it belongs to individuals? That's the question we are asking today. Nataka kumwambia, akiwa nyinyi mko na hakika ya kwamba hii shamba ni yenyu, kujeni pahara hapa, simameni. Mtu kitu chake uanga anakufa nacho. Akiwa hii shamba ni yenyu, nyinyi wezi wawili, akiwa hii shamba ni yenyu, tafadhalini kujeni. Kujeni mpatane na wanathika, muambie ilikuwa yenyu aji, na mmeshikana na akina nani kuibia wa Kenya, kuiba mali ya Kenya. Hata saa hii mkiangalia pahara hapa ndio uanga tunakuja kufanya public works. Hapa ndio uanga tunakuja kufanyua BQ zetu. Tukitaka maneno ya kura, kera, kenha, hapa uanga tunakuja. Tukitaka IBC wakati wa electioneering here, uanga tunakuja hapa. Voting here, uanga tunakuja hapa. At what point did these two thieves hapa pakawa ni kwenyu?
And I actually managed to call these people in my office, and they asked me why I called them. I told them, I don't have anything much, I just want you to give the government back its land. They told me the land is theirs, and because National Land Commission has a lot of resources allocated by the Constitution, they can as well talk to them and pay them so that they can release the land to the government. I wonder if we got that route when we are going to do these developments. You can see the president is very much eager to ensure that every part of this country has gotten land for affordable housing. But if this is the way, then we cannot develop. You cannot. You can imagine now telling these people that we are going to buy land to do the affordable housing where we already have land. We have land that has been taken by people who are saying that they used legal means to get the land, so they illegally own the land. That's why they want to be compensated. We ended at that because they say that the case is in court, you cannot discuss it beyond that, and that's where we ended. But the most surprising thing is that, as people can see here, this land has been in existence in the hands of government as old as Thika is. So I don't know how they got. We don't want to go much into the fine prints on how they acquired or how it's theirs, because now that is what they are saying is in court. But there is no way that we can be having public works been here for the last 40, 50 years, but then they acquired the land a year ago. We don't know how. So we are saying, and not just here, in the entire Thika sub-county, let us stop this menace of land grabbing. And we are looking into all these cases to ensure that the government have its land so that the development can take place.